What's up, all you rockin' guitar players? Rockin' Guitar here, and today I am going to be playing a song that most of you probably won't know, and most of you guys probably are never gonna watch me. Why am I ever doing a YouTube channel? Anyways, not the point. It's a song called Great Are You Lord. It's a Christian song by Chris Tomlin. So I'm gonna play it for you, play the whole song, and then I will teach you guys how to play the song. It's not that hard. It only uses it doesn't use that many chords. It only uses 5 chords total. So it's by All Sons and Daughter. I'm pretty sure it's rewritten by Chris Tomlin. It's really good. I'm getting all this set up here so I can see the lyrics and stuff. Alright, perfect. Right there. Alright, so you're going to start off with, I'm just going to play it real quick, and then I will, show you how to play it. So, one, I'm not the best singer, so don't comment down below, oh my god, you suck at guitar, you're never gonna ever be successful in life. Yes, I know. If anything, I'm just going to play guitar or lead guitar and have someone sing, okay? Because I don't like singing. So, to me, I sound good, but I know I don't sound good because I've watched these videos enough to be like, oh my gosh, I do suck at singing. So, can you shut up, dogs? Alright, so I'm going to play it right now, and, yeah, so you give life, you are love, you bring light to the darkness, you give hope, you restore every heart that is broken. Great are you, Lord. I dropped my pick. See, that's what happens when you like to rock out. You just jam out too hard and then you lose a pick. You guys would think me being a guitar player I'd have extras, but throughout the few years I lost them. So God, this is a bad video already. I should probably just edit it out. Just edit me out. I mean, edit me out of this world. No, don't do that. Alright, so let's... Second attempt. You give life, life, you are love, you bring light to the darkness, you give hope, you restore every heart that is broken. Great are you, Lord. It's your breath in our lungs, so we pour out our praise. We pour out our praise. It's your breath in our lungs, so we pour out our praise to you only. Alright, that was not the end of the song, guys, but I need to get this video cut. I need to get this video short because I'm pretty sure nobody wants to watch a 35-hour long guitar video. Alright, so all you're using is your C. Oh, sorry. Your C. And I made a video about major chords that you're going to use in songs. I'll try to put that in the description below, so go look at that. So you're going to play with your C add 9. which if you don't know, you're going to take your first finger, 2nd fret, A string, just kidding, D string. So first finger, 2nd fret, D string, 2nd finger, 3rd fret, G, B, A string. And then these two right here are going to be planted on the bottom 2 strings in the 3rd fret. So you're going to strum from the A chord down. And then your E minor, you're going to keep these 2 right here planted, and you're going to move these 2 over to make an E minor on the A and the D chord in the 2nd fret, and strum all the strings. And then your D is like this. And you get that little, to get that higher, you're just going to take your pinky and you're going to slam it down on the 3rd fret of the E string, high E string. Like that. Okay? So you're going to play 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You play that 2 times. And it go, you give life, you are love, you bring light to the darkness, you give hope, you restore. So, that's all. You're going to use your C and E minor. And then when you get to the chorus, you're going to go, it's your breath in our lungs. So we pour out our praise. We pour out our praise. Alright, so I'll redo that. So C. Or you're going to start off with your D. It's your breath, C, in our lungs. So we pour out our praise. We pour out our praise. It's your C breath. E minor in our lungs, E minor. So we pour out our praise to you only. And then the bridge, all the earth will shout your praise. It should sound like, all the earth will shout your praise. Our hearts will cry, these bones will shake. Great are you, Lord. Oh God, I butchered that, Lord. Alright, so it's going to be, all the earth will shout your praise. Is your G. You're going to go to your A minor. Our hearts will cry, these bones will shake. C at 9. Great are you, G Lord. So yeah, and the strumming pattern is down, down, up, down, up, 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 down. So that is it. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please comment what song you guys want me to do, and I'll try to do it the best I can. And I will see all you awesome people in the next video.